so I can try and not freak out.
Bro, we just did it. And then you're like, ah!
I know I front.
You're doing great. You're doing great. Just breathe in, breathe out, and push.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told.
Alright guys, welcome back. Well, welcome me back to my channel. I've been gone for a long time. Before we get any further guys, I want to introduce you to someone.
Hey, turn that way. Say hi.
Don't touch it.
Hi.
Say hello. Hi.
What's your name?
Hi.
That's right, Luna.
Luna.
So that there, ladies and gentlemen, is our very new addition to the family. We've got Luna here. It's Luna, Lena, and Xander. Well, Xander is all grown up. But if you come back this way a little bit more, I want to introduce you to someone else. Hey, you psycho.
She is a psycho right now.
Alright, so we're just getting ready now, guys. We're just about to get out of the house into some sun. As you guys know, here at where we live in the far north Queensland, it rains pretty much every day all year round. So we're gonna take a full advantage of this. We've got the sun out for the weekend, and we're gonna get out there. Hang on, I'm gonna go get ready. Alright. I don't know, but this is the get up today. Not really feeling it, but that'll do. Luna. Alright, so shoes. Might go with these ones. Yeah, we'll go with that one.
Yay! Next started. More properly now.
Alright, so here we are up in the mountains, Kuranda. Nice and cool up here. We're gonna go check out a bunch of this stuff here. I think the first stop we'll do will be Bird World.
Hold her properly. Like
Lisa here is a lover of all birds.
No, I'm not. I'm afraid. Very afraid.
Not really. She's not afraid. Oh look, it's a bush turkey. We've actually been to that one there, Koala Garden.
It's there.
That's pretty cool. Oh, look at this. Wait, let's go down there. So this here is some sort of market. Local crafts and everything else. But yeah, check this out. Come, let's go over here.
Xander.
Oh man, how cool is this? What's in there?
Yeah. It's
Whoa.
an actual airplane. It's fresh.
Bro, there's gotta be a ghost here. You never know, one day my channel might turn into a ghost hunting channel.
This is way well.
How cool is this?
What is that?
I'm not sure what kind of plane this is.
What's the weather
Or used to be anyway.
Mom, what's the weather? This is like the mini escape doll. You say hi. That's the mini escape doll. Hi.
Is it?
Yes.
Alright, okay, say bye.
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 Bye, plane.
Let's go. What is it?
No.
Just touch it. Touch it.
Show you. Touch it. Okay. Hold on. Oh, thank you. Yes. Enjoy.
Awesome, thank you.
Yes, it did. Up you go.
Alright.
Don't open that up until I'm here. Oh, look,
You
the
ready?
blue one's here.
Put it down.
Put it down. Open it. You go.
Yay.
The blue one. I like the white one. The white one.
Oh, look at the birdie.
It's only us with you. Stand up. I'll stay with you in Hawaii.
Hey, hey, come to me.
I love that one. That one is very cute.
Look at this one. Is he gonna bite? I hope it doesn't bite. I hope it doesn't bite. Oh, it's pretty friendly. I think it's friendly. Oh, there's a little one. Just a little one. No, it's not friendly. Okay. These guys huge. Hey there. Hey there. Bro, that looks like. Oh, I thought it was like a pigeon. I think it is a pigeon. I think it snuck in here. Hey.
Hold your hand out like this, man.
Hmm?
It's dead. Then it's not tree.
Yeah.
Oh, come. Ah! Ah! Bit my finger.
Stand up. Stand up. Okay.
Scary. There you want corn? Oh, look.
Oh, look at this. Oh!
Oh,
Look at that one holding its corn.
I'm not sure if it was corn or not.
Oh, it really hurt they don't land on there.
Oh!
Skin.
Wait.
The red skin.
I got one on me. I got one on me.
The red.
Awesome.
Jake, don't, please. Please don't, Jake. Jake, I'm serious, please don't.
Hey there. How cool is this? Look at that one, look at that one.
The car's getting the big blue one a bit me.
He wanted the cracker. I love the cracker. The cracker.
How awesome is that?
I'm gonna try to this way.
Helena.
Let's stay up here.
Yeah.
They got so many birds up here.
Look at Yaya. Look at Yaya.
I only have a little bit.
What? You only have a little bit left.
No, I do have. I said I only have a little bit in that hand.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I'm trying to help you.
Wow.
But you have to protect her. If a bird comes near her, because I won't be able to.
How cool is this guy?
That was selling for a long time.
Polly want a cracker? No, Polly wants your mama's sweet ass. Oh, that is awesome.
Oh wow.
Pull up. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, this is awesome.
No.
Luna. Look. Hey, look. Oh, he's my friend now. He's coming home with me.
What?
Come back to me.
Wait, Daddy.
Hey?
Came back to me.
Don't be standing there saying probably want a cracker, because if it flies at you, you're going to scream, right? Luna, Bam, stop. Luna. Stop. I'm sorry. I bent my shoe. I'm sorry. Please don't let it come to me. Just my baby. Can you go first?
I want to pet it. It's really soft.
Some of those ones talk as well.
Oh, nice. Ah. All right. What's down there? Oh, look at these ones. Ooh, there's a yellow one down there I didn't even see. Take my food. Take my food. Yes.
That one's actually really pretty. But your favorite. Yeah.
Oh, Luna.
Oh my god, I felt the wind on my... See if you can pat it, Lena.
Pat it, Lena. Ah, not my callus. Don't get my callus.
What's the callus?
This one keeps coming back to me.
I love you, Yaya.
Hey, Lace.
No, please.
Look.
Please.
Oh, it's on you.
No.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Look at you. So majestic.
Oh my god, I can feel it on me.
Yeah, you're doing great. You're so majestic. Oh, you got another one on you.
No, I don't.
Okay, it's gone.
No, it's not.
It's gone.
No, it's not.
It is. Trust me.
Bag.
Why are you frozen? Okay, wait here. I'll go get help.
Okay.
I'm getting help. Oh, look at this red one.
I can't. I'm too scared.
I'm feeding one right now.
Dada, don't ignore me. I don't have any food, okay? Get off me. I don't have any food today.
You're doing great. You're doing great. Just breathe in, breathe out, and push.
Get it off. Get it off me. It's on my head. I can feel it.
It won't come to me. It won't come. It won't come to me.
Get it off me.
Okay, it's off you now.
This?
It is.
No, it's not. Jake.
What?
Oh my god. Which one was on me? That one.
That one.
Good. At least it was the one I liked. Come on, baby. Please.
Hey there, pretty. Hey, I can't reach into the bag to feed them anymore.
The yellow one's really pretty though. I do like the yellow one.
You love it.
She is very pretty. I would happily own that yellow one.
We should get one.
Crushed just a little bit.
We should get one. You want to get one?
No, not really. Indian
Well, just have it in a
redneck
cage. Just have it in a cage, Mummy.
Asian and African. Learn a bum, slow down.
They both will be food.
Come on, this way. Quick, this way. What's over there? Probably nothing. Slow down.
Slow down. Wait for mommy. Yellow one here.
What?
Put the yellow one here.
Whoa.
So I can try and not freak out.
Bro, we just did it. And then you're like, ah!
I know I froze a little bit. I just won't look at it, okay?
It doesn't want to go to me now.
I fed them too much, they like me now.
See if the yellow one will walk to me.
Give it some food.
Put some on the bag.
Oh, good now.
I love the pink one there.
No.
It'll land on you.
Come on, baby girl.
Right. Stop feeding that one. We got a whole bunch to feed down here.
I don't want that
Let's
blue
go.
one on there. I kind of want her on
It's on me. They're not freaking out as much. Ah, a little bit freaked out.
Look at my head. Hi.
Quick, let's go this way.
Oh, it flew away. What happened? You didn't mind.
How come you guys are inside a cage?
Is that real?
Yeah, that's a real one. Look at she's putting her hand in there.
Are you sure it's real?
Yes.
Oh, it just moved, yeah.
No, look. Big one.
Look.
Don't let her put her hand in. She shoved her whole hand in before.
That's a dinosaur.
No, it's not an emu, it's a cassowary.
Cassowary.
Fun fact, that's actually a male.
Oh my god, I can't
No, look, quack.
Oh, look at these ducks. Oh,
Look at the big on that one. Look, turtles.
oh, there's a turtle in there.
Turtles. Camping turtles, I think.
Are these some turtles?
Is that a goose? Oh, look at that one. It's a albino.
Look at the turtle later.
Watch out later.
See if she'll come have a look.
I have this much food to offer. Take it. Take it and we shall be friends.
Aren't they real?
Take it! Take it, you stupid duck! No, he doesn't want to be friends. That's alright, we got plenty of friends over here. Look at this guy. Hey, I am friendly. I come offering food. Okay, come on. Damn it.
I think you're in the Australian section. Yes, we're in the Australian section.
Just want to see if there's something in there.
No.
There's nothing in there. Oh, there's a bird there. I didn't even see.
Luna, baby, slow it down. Two of them. It's like they're about to kiss.
Oh, there's three of them.
Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah, more. These Australian birds are snobby. They don't come here.
No, we ain't got to do it yet.
Hey there. You want food?
Yeah, I'm trying to get her to me as well.
Oh.
We are good. This way, baby, let's go. This way.
The small ones are really gentle.
Oh, there's another one up here. Hey. You want some food? I got food. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look, it's food. It's food.
Oh no, there's no gate. Don't go in there, Luna. No,
Alright. Remember that blue one earlier? Look. Oh, you can't really see it. It's too...
Xander got bitten. He's bleeding.
What?
No, I stopped bleeding. It's just dry blood.
Yeah.
The big blue one bit him.
Yeah, the blue one bit me as well.
He bit me and stole my corn.
Yeah, and then he was sitting there holding his corn, eating it.
You got poo in your back, by the way.
You do.
Can you get a wipe, Mum?
Yeah, when we get up.
This one. It's the white one.
Yeah, I love it.
Well, then can Daddy put it on your shoulder?
You said you're going to do something today and get a bird.
Slow it down.
I'll give you a bird.
Ow.
Watch her up here, hey? These big ones.
Don't just steal my food. Come to me. I didn't even know there was a little one next to me. You want some food? This motherfucker's huge, man. I feel like it's gonna. Oh! Ow!
Stop now.
Come to me. Come to me.
Stop, please.
Quick. Come this way. Yes, come to me. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Feather?
What do you want? Give me the things down. Things. No, not Bobble. Stop. Stop. It's biting me. I know. Hey! Ow! Come on! Ow! Get up! Stop now.
That was the same bird that bit my finger. But you can't see it. There it is.
Be careful that I don't bite the face.
Did you bleed?
Yeah,
That blue one bite.
that one there.
That one bite.
This one here. He bit me. See? He's trying to. Ah! Hey!
No. It's like the cat.
Hey, you want to hold this one?
No.
Hey?
No.
Let's hold him.
I might avoid calling.
Hey, Lace, look.
Jake, no, not so close to my face, please.
It's a bird.
Where is it?
Caca!
Where's the baby?
Caca! It's a bird.
Come on, baby.
Ah! I think it just bit me. Oh, there's a white one over here.
What one? The white one dies up. But you don't want to hold it because it's crazy as well. I like that white one and the pink one. Pink one's white.
Bring your shoulder. Bring your shoulder. It's just hitchhiking. Just hitchhiking.
Is it on? This bird won't come off me.
Just. Oh! Come here.
She's freaking out.
Just put it on your shoulder.
Come here. Hold my hand. The best thing to do is don't look. Come here and don't look. Look that way and Daddy will put it on your shoulder for you. You're right, look! Look, you're going!
There you go. I was trying to take your
Your bow
hair
out.
tie.
Luna! Luna!
What was it on me?
It's on me now, it's alright. It's okay. This way, baby.
Yeah, I got a peanut on me.
You sure it's a peanut?
You're
Yes.
crying.
Yes, she is. Look at them, they're trying
Oh
it.
no, they're fighting on me.
Oh no.
Oh, on mom. They're biting. Well, it's biting you.
It's alright.
Yeah, it wants them.
Look at me, Elena. Elena? I have a bird on me, Elena.
No, you don't.
Not now, but I did.
I'll put this one on you.
Try.
Pat it.
Yay! I wanted to watch them about me.
You try patting.
See that?
Oh wow, those claws are hard. Luna!
That's why I wanted it off me.
Luna! But it goes and sticks on you because you keep feeding it. Did it bite you?
It tried to bite me.
It's attached to Xander. Luna!
No, it just wants to.
Hey, look, the baby. Just keeps walking off. It's alright.
It's trying to bite the camera.
Oh, it's really soft.
Yeah.
It's on her bite. I'll let him know.
Take me home, please. I don't want to be here anymore.
Like, don't
What's
stop.
your name? Bye. There he goes.
Now that one's taking you down. Little baby. Little. I think they're gonna hit. Now look at this pink one that has a pink
Hey.
spot.
Got blood or
Ow.
pink dot?
Hey?
Oh, on this bird. Looks like blood or I don't know. Might be blood or a pink dot.
Hey you. Oh my god. Huge fights going on. What about you? You want some? So cool.